Health scores are a powerful tool that provide real-time visibility into customer health, enabling you to identify risks and opportunities early. They help you take action to reduce churn and maximize growth. In this video, we'll show you how to create a basic health score here in PlanHat. This will help you get quick insights at both the customer and portfolio level, even if you don't have all of your data fully integrated just yet. If you haven't already, make sure to watch our health score overview video first to get a solid foundation. So, let's dive in and start building out your health score. Health scores are created under the Data Global tool and company fields. On the left, you'll see health profiles, which allow you to create distinct health scores for different customer segments, like enterprise versus SMB. This gives you full control over how you measure customer health. To create a profile, simply click New Profile. Give it a title, and select the global company filter you want to apply. Keep in mind that each customer can only belong to one health profile at a time, and PlanHat works from the top down. So, if you have 3 health profiles and account A matches all of them, only the first profile will apply. So imagine a customer enters at the top and continues moving down through the profiles until it hits one where it matches the filter criteria. Now let's add the following 4 factors to your health score: CSM score, last touch, last seen, and NPS. The CSM score is a subjective, qualitative score that allows you to rate each account from 0 to 5. It's a gut check on the relationship with the customer, helping you answer questions like, how is this account doing? Or are they meeting their objectives? For example, a customer with high usage might still have a low CSM score if they're unhappy with their product. So this score captures that sentiment. It's key to define what each rating means and train your team how to use it consistently across all accounts. Here's how we define the scores at PlanHat. A score of 1 means the customer is dissatisfied, has canceled, or hasn't started using the product. 2 indicates shallow engagement or adoption, or they're experiencing issues. This is a clear churn risk. 3 means neutral. There's value in usage, but not deep engagement or stickiness. Some data might be missing. 4 indicates that the customer sees value with high adoption, but still has some room to grow in their stakeholder engagement. And a score of 5 is a strong, multi-level relationship with active promoters, confirmed value, and cross-department usage. PlanHat is an established and trusted source of truth. Let's add the CSM score factor. First, select it from the list of company-level fields or metrics. Then use a linear operator to establish that with a CSM score value of 0, the health score will be docked 4 points. And with a value of 5, it improves by 4 points. Pro tip, use the linear bounded option if the values outside of the identified range should not have an impact. Now let's add last touch, which shows the date of the last interaction with the customer, whether it was a call, note, or email. As a general rule, if a customer has not been spoken to in over 30 days, it's a red flag, but you can adjust this threshold to fit your needs. Using another linear operator, we'll dock the health score by 2 points if no interaction has happened within that time frame, and increase it by 2 points for recent interactions. Last seen is similar to last touch, but tracks when an end user was last seen in your product. If a user hasn't been in the product for over 14 days, we'll deduct 3 points. But if they were in the product within the last day, we'll add 3 points. Lastly, we have NPS, which ranges from 1 to 10. Let's say customers with an NPS above 7 get 3 points, while those below 5 get minus 3 points. Be sure to use the option No Change if the value is empty, if there are customers that might not have a value for the specific factor. That way their score won't be impacted incorrectly. Now that we've added all 4 factors, you'll see a distribution chart showing how many companies fall into each health score. Below that, you'll see the impact of each factor on the overall score. If you need to adjust the health score, Planet lets you simulate the impact of changes before applying them. This helps you make sure the score works as expected before going live. And that's it. Now that you've created a basic health score with 4 dynamically updating factors, health score maintenance and improvement is key to driving long-term success. As your product evolves and more data becomes available, be sure to update your scores based on new insights. 3 easy ways to improve your health score include creating action plans. Design workflows or use automation to create consistent actions when health scores reach certain thresholds. For example, low scores might trigger a customer success rep to reach out, while high scores could trigger a thank you email with an offer. Refine your goals and metrics. Frequently review the metrics you're tracking and ensure they align with your business goals. As your goals evolve, so should your health scores. And review your customer journey. A low health score could indicate issues in the customer journey. If your feature adoption score is low, it might be a sign of onboarding problems. Review and optimize your customer journey to fix these issues quickly. Now you're ready to start using Planhat's health scores to track and improve customer health. Don't forget to check out our next video on designing advanced health scores for more in-depth strategies and theory.